How to manage your Facebook activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your Facebook activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just go down again until you find Facebook activity. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click here, manage your Facebook activity. And as you see here, you can manage it and you can clear history if you want. And uh, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.